Alright, so this is how to make this smoothie.
Start getting about a handful of strawberries. And
So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's-
half of a frozen banana. You can also use just a non-frozen banana.
Half of frozen is the preference, but if you don't have frozen, half a banana.
Doesn't need to be, like, there's no preference really.
Frozen, I think, makes it creamier.
Okay, then frozen is preferred.
Then we're going to add a little bit of
Broccoli.
a little broccoli floret, like a couple.
Yeah.
Cool.
And a few cauliflower.
A few cauliflower florets. Nice. Like we added one.
Yeah, one at a time.
One little tiny one. Cool.
Then just gonna run it under hot water to make it less hard.
Soften everything.
Yeah.
So you're just going to rinse. It's like you're going to rinse it, right? You're not actually...
Yeah, just kind of covering it in hot water. Let it sit in hot water for a few seconds.
Soften it so it'll be easier to blend.
Yeah.
Cover it with hand. Let the water get out of there. Cool.
Now, a quarter cup of the blueberries.
Quarter cup of blueberries.
Does not need to be a perfect quarter.
Could be less than a quarter. That's okay too.
Now, just gonna clear up the sketch of it.
Let's see, I've got some hemp hearts, pumpkin seeds. Oh,
Add about a tablespoon each of the seeds.
okay. We got 3 different types of seeds,
All the hemp hearts.
or 2 kinds: hemp hearts and pumpkin seeds.
And whoops, it's meant to have chia seeds.
Oh, chia seeds. You want to get chia seeds? So we're doing a tablespoon.
This is a tablespoon, but there's only a tiny bit less, so I'll just add the rest.
Okay, normally we'd do a tablespoon, but we're just finishing off the bag here. So we'll do a tablespoon of sprouted pumpkin seeds. Nice. And then a tablespoon of chia seeds. It doesn't have to be perfect. It sounds, it could be a little less, a little more.
Alrighty, and then about a tablespoon of guacamole, or if you have an avocado, a little bit of avocado.
Which is like a quarter of the avocado smash.
Yeah. Grab a little yogurt, about a quarter cup of the yogurt.
Again, approximate, doesn't have to be exact. Powder.
Oh, yes.
This is kind of like some protein, vitamin powder. Add some chocolate flavor. And this is a scoop, or 2 scoops.
Yeah, 2 scoops.
2 scoops of this. Nice. And let's see, we got a little cherry or cranberry coming up. We're going to have some almond milk coming up.
Ounce of the cherry juice.
Ounce of cherry, or it could be cranberry if you have that.
Shake it.
Just make sure it's unsweetened and not from concentrate would be ideal. So that was how much? Half an ounce or an ounce?
1 ounce.
1 ounce of that. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, and you want to shake up the juice beforehand. This is some liquid vitamin. If you have this, you can add it. If you don't, you can skip it. How much?
1 ounce of this.
1 ounce of this. This also adds some sweetness, which is nice. Oh, we add some arugula. Wow. Fantastic. Do you taste the arugula?
No.
Wow. Ooh, you're adding like a good handful.
Yes.
Look at
Dump
this.
it in there.
Oh my gosh, this is power packed. Awesome. And then finish it off with some almond milk. And the nice thing about putting the almond milk in last is the liquid will be at the bottom where the blades are. So that way it'll blend easier. So that's strategic.
You can also get a rough idea of how much you should add.
Oh, you're just going to pour it straight in because if you don't want to do too much, is that right?
Yeah, I prefer my smoothies thicker, so yeah, the less I pour in, the thicker.
So then once you blend it, you can go back and add more almond milk if it's too thick. Nice, got the little blade sticking out of arugula. You know it's going to be good when things are popping out the sides.
Let the liquid go to the bottom.
Excellent. Now we can see the thickness. So it almost looks like a soft serve ice cream kind of consistency.
Yeah.
So if that's good, you're good to go. Or you can add more almond milk to see. What do you think? Do you like it this thickness, or do you want it a little thinner?
I mean,
What's your preference? A little thinner?
I don't know. I mean, it's just like
If it was your smoothie.
Oh, if it was yours, how would you want it? A little thinner?
I think that's good.
Okay, that might work for you. Okay, so if not, or you try it, then you can always add more almond milk. But otherwise, that's how Lexi likes it. Is that right? Cool. Nice work. Anything else to know? That's pretty much it. Yeah. Cool.